girl Nikisha, and this is Nikisha's Live. It's been a minute, y'all. It's been a minute. But anyway, I'm back with another video. I'm going to be trying out curlformers for the first time. These ones right here. So, these are the first time I'm trying these. Hope they're not complicated because we don't do complicated. If it's complicated, we just gonna go ahead and just do twist out and call it a day, okay? But I'm gonna be using those for the first time. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of the family. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for returning to the channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, blessed day. I already washed my hair. It's a little bit dripping. I sectioned into 3 sections just because I wanted to comb it out and have it easier to get to it. I don't know how big I should make these. What they look like. I got orange ones, and then I have pink ones, and then they have the hooks at the bottom. And your girl don't know what we're doing. We're gonna look at. So they come with these hooks right here, 4 pieces, but I think they're 2. And I guess you take this part and this part, and you put it in, and it snaps like that. This is kind of long. Is it all this long? Is it all this long? I guess so. Okay, well, anyway, so put that together. Put these other 2 back in here. That's what it looks like. And so, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, okay. So, I use the same size. This is what they look like. And they look like the same size. Yeah, they look the same size. So, yeah. I guess we just use all we have. And then when the other one runs out, we'll switch over. I don't know. But I'm gonna, I got the A Lot of Bodies foaming mousse wrap. And then I also got the Cream of Nature one. So I don't know which one I'm gonna use. And then I'm going to be using this for my cream, my pomegranate honey. I also sprayed my hair with some aloe vera gel, water, and some oil in case my hair gets dry. This was my leave-in right here, followed by my oil, which is coconut oil. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to section off. Let's start with this side. So my hair is still wet. And I already put all that in, so I'm just gonna put the cream in, which is that, and then followed by the mousse. So I'm gonna use about that much for this section of hair. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, blessed day. This water's dripping, it's scaring me. I got something crawling on me. It's been a minute since I've been on and recorded a video. I decided to sit down and do it. You see the setup is just, I'm sitting on my bed literally. I'm trying to get a little bit this way. There we go. Okay. I'm just sitting on my bed chilling. I cleaned my house up earlier. And now I was like, I need to do something to this hair. I think about 4 pumps, 3 pumps. I don't know how big I should make these. Should the parts be small parts or big parts, y'all? Help me. I don't know how to do it. I don't know what I'm doing. It's got a little queen. Let's do 1 more pump. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna take one of these, right? So we stick this in here and push it all the way down like that, right? And you take the piece of hair other hair's getting in the way. Let's flip that away. Flip it away. Okay, so take this and take this hook. I'm gonna twist my root a little bit just so I can get the hook around it, around my hair. Is it all in there, y'all? I can't see. I think it's all in there. Yeah, it's all in there. And then you do that. And you pull it through. And it's in there. Yay, we did it! Thumbs up! And so we're gonna keep doing that. This is the last one on this side. Alright guys, so I am done with my hair. That's what it's looking like. So I'm going to let these dry and I'll be back to show you the finished results. See you later. Okay, so this is what my hair's looking like straight out of the curlformers. And I'm about to say, these things are the most uncomfortable things to sleep in ever. Oh, my neck hurts. Listen, these things are not cool sleeping. Just FYI if you want to try this. But the curl's looking really good. I'm gonna go get some oil and separate them. I'm a little scared. Which one? We're gonna tuck and hide that one piece that's not curled, okay? I'm gonna tuck and hide that. But this is the finished result. So yeah, that's what they look like. Now, I like the curls that come out, and my hair feels really nice and soft and fluffy and not really hard. I like the curls. These things are hell sleeping. Just gonna let you know that slightly hurt a little bit and they are hard to sleep in. Like I couldn't be comfortable at all. But overall, I like the way my curls have come out. And I like the way my hair is feeling and looking. And yeah, I'm just gonna probably style it and go from there. So yeah, this is what it looks like. If you do, try these. Let me know how you slept it up, because I was having time with these, okay? So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give me a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I will show you how I style it at the end.